While camping season is over for a lot of people, this is the time of year when a lot of people, especially in RVs and travel trailers, like to get out and explore. They may not be home for the holidays, or maybe their home is on the road for the holidays. Regardless, Thanksgiving is a big thing for a lot of people. So in this video, we cooked Thanksgiving dinner in the camper on a smoker and with camping utensils and gear to show that it can be done. Happy Thanksgiving from our camp to yours. We're going to use the same techniques that we learned in our collaboration with the Southern Cyborg Craig Hall on making pulled pork. We're only going to do it for turkey this time.
Hello, I'm Craig Hall, and welcome to a collaboration between Campsite Cruising and the Southern Cyborg Cooks. We're going to be smoking a Boston butt today.
For our Thanksgiving dinner, we're going to use a whole turkey minus the legs and the wings. The first thing that we do, of course, after thawing it is apply seasoning. The seasoning is a major part of getting this bird ready to smoke. I use Kinder seasoning roast chicken with garlic and herbs, and also onion butter all-purpose blend from Fire and Smoke. You can get both of those at Walmart. After rubbing in all the ingredients, we let it sit out at room temperature while I went and started the fire. So the idea here is to fill up both of my little troughs with charcoal and leave some room to put the hot coal in to start the smoking process. You don't need to use that many fire starters, but I did because I wanted to get it done sooner than later. You'll see why later on in the video. As you can see here, the smoke is starting to come out of that charcoal. It's almost ready. I've added in some hickory and mesquite wood chips along with apple wood. Apple wood is really good for poultry, and so I went with that. After getting all the hot coals in on both sides, I put the lid back on it and waited for it to get up to temperature. The ideal temperature is between 200 and 225 degrees. Once we got to the temperature, it was time to get our Thanksgiving turkey on the grill. I made a base out of avocado oil and some various seasonings. You can try it on your own to see whatever you think is best. Then I started preparing the sides while we were waiting on the turkey to cook. I used my Coleman camping stove and also the little jetpack stove that I got from Temu that I did a review on a little while back. Now this is a pretty simple dinner. We just did it because being out and about, you may not be able to head to a store and grab a lot of things. So we just kind of kept it simple. First, I started our little isobutane burner and put in some canned carrots. I seasoned the carrots with only honey to keep it nice and simple. Next, firing up the Coleman, I decided to cook some green beans and also some macaroni and cheese. As you can see why I was wanting to get this thing started sooner than later. It got dark pretty quick, but luckily the turkey was finally done. So it was time to take it off of the grill, take it inside the camper, cut it up, and have our Thanksgiving dinner.